when we were children, time was just not existent. It just didn't really matter. As adults, we forget that. We're in our bodies. We're walking around. We're doing all this stuff. But are we in concert with ourselves? Going outside is a practice. The best thing to do when you go into the forest is let the forest know that you're there. The deer won't see you as a predator. The birds will come back and they'll start singing. And I'm just really glad I found this practice. There's tons of shows that you could binge on. There's tons of books you could read. But I like this because it's the practice of literally doing nothing. And I think maybe one of the reasons why I got into this is just to help myself remember that I'm nature too, and that folks are nature too. And, you know, the idea is it's actually pretty easy. It's just to remember that you're in love with all that's around you. If you experience it and you know it, it doesn't become strange. It becomes something remembered. How often do we make decisions with love as their foremost priority? So that's why I do it.